Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how ChatGPT can help you with your coding abilities. Let's suppose you want to make a database connection to MySQL database using Java EE. Let's see if my ChatGPT able to generate code for us or not. Let's see. As you can see, it's generating the code for us. Quite smart enough to write the code for us. Let's see, it's a general template. You can modify according to your requirements if needed. Also, you can see here the copy code button is there. You can copy the code here. Also utilize inner ID. Also, it provides the explanations to the code, what it suggests you may need. Also, it suggests that connect or day that library must be available in the class path so that IDE can locate this driver file so that it is able to connect to database and perform database operations using Java EE. Let us ask if it can write the same query, write the same code using Jakarta EE, which is a newer Java version, Java EE releases by Eclipse. You can see it is able to write the same code using Jakarta EE also. Although approach will be different, but it's able to refactor according to Jakarta EE. And one side note, you can ask your coding questions also in C++, if some word generation questions also, it will able to help. But see, remember that it is able, the ChatGPT, the current ChatGPT able to process the data till the year 2021. But the next version of ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT 3, which will be 5 times faster, and hence faster processing will be happen in your future. Bye folks, see you in the next video.